guys, and welcome to episode 4 of our platformer. Today I'll teach you how to make our platformer scrolling. Let's go. Okay. First first drag the code to the level. Okay. And delete all the code. Now put the sprite in 0, 0, 100. And let's go back to code. Let's add some change. Like this. Now let's go. Okay, do that -10. 1. I know what I'm doing. Okay, don't set ghost effect to 100 and go different. EP4. Okay, let's do the code of movement different. And let's show you trick. Want to resize infinite? Look at this. Now, when the green flag, set costume to costume 4 and set size to what you want, like 500, and set back to 1, costume 1. Let's see now. Now the platformer is scrolling. Let's do it minus again. Minus to this sprite. Okay. Let's see. It's still not working. Let's fix that. Where is the bug? There it is. Like this. Still again not working. Let's fix that. Okay, not touching level, touching player. And set ghost effect to 100. Now you find the platformer nice again. Goodbye guys, and I hope you have a nice day. Scratch on and like and subscribe.